Here's a popular model, body style that usually sells pretty quickly when we get them in from time to time. 1963 Chevrolet Nova or Chevy 2. Now this particular car, a little beefed up underneath the hood from what it would have came with back in 1963. Now has a 283 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission. As far as color, this is Monaco blue, which would be, I believe it was 914 in the paint code and the data tag, which is the correct color for this car. And then blue vinyl bench interior was 742, so still looks very similar to the way it would have came from Chevrolet. And believed to be original interior too. We'll get around to that in a second. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, look it over, check out the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Should go ahead and take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome bumper. Appears it has been replated or re-chromed. Very nice shape. Paint is very showable on this car also. It does not appear to be that old of a paint job. Now, previous owner actually traded this into us. Was believed to be original miles. Can't confirm or deny because once the car becomes so old, that does not stay with the title. Nicely equipped with power steering and power brakes. Does have an aftermarket stereo, some aftermarket gauges in it. We'll check those out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side and start her up. As far as this cover, this blue convertible cover boot, I just kind of set it on there for the pictures just to let you know. Oh, excuse me. And also in the trunk there is a box, looks like with a new black one. This does have a black convertible top, so both of those will go with the car, FYI. And there's pictures of the trunk with the rest of the still pictures. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You take a look at the rear bumper and rear bright work. Don't see a lot of these in convertibles around yet, let alone in this nice a shape. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, and that of course is going to take you right to our website and the still pictures. Love this emblem on these. Check this out, the Chevy 2. Nova emblem in the rear. Pretty cool in the 63s. All right, let's look this interior over. Start it up so you can hear it run. Let's go through some of the things on here. Now, look at these door panels. Appear that they could be originals, and that does match up with the vinyl bench seat also. Check out the rear matching seat. Seat belts, front and rear. In the still pictures, you can also see the carpeting without the floor mats in there. I put the floor mats back in for the video. All right, horn, by the way, is a button underneath here. Horn does work. Also had the wipers working. Appeared the gauges worked as far as gas gauge. Let's go ahead and start this up. Little generator light, kind of like that. Pretty cool. As you can see, the fuel gauge came up. Aftermarket stereo does work. Kind of a retro looking one until you get it turned on and all lit up. Little Bosch aftermarket gauge cluster. Also notice that the blower fan for defrost and heat, that also works, as does the wipers. Dash has been repainted with the car. You can hear it. Nice sounding 283. Also, I'm going to point this out, these gauges also do work. As far as volts, oil, pressure, and of course temperature. Alright, yeah, it almost sounds like it's just a little bit of a cam to it. A little rumble coming out of it. That door closes very nicely also. Listen to that, nice sounding. All right, let's slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll put that top up so you can get a look at that too. So hang on, let me get this hood popped.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, see if I can keep the glare off here for you. Get a look underneath the hood. Hood liner, everything. Very nice shape, very clean and tidy. All right, 283. And power brakes, power steering. Quite see it down underneath there. That is paired up with a power glide, automatic transmission, which was an option on this car, as you can tell by the data tag. It did come with the automatic transmission. And you can see still pictures of that data tag with the rest of this car. 100 plus pictures of this car online. All right, so there's the engine. Tell you what, I'm gonna shut this off, close up the hood. We'll put that top up and finish this video up. Take a look at that. Here's a look at the top. Like I said earlier, black vinyl and in nice shape. And it goes along with the rest of this car. Got a few wrinkles back here from being folded up, but that's out in the sun. Those will come right out. Rear window, good shape. No holes, rips, tears. You put it up to keep you dry or keep you out of the sun, it's going to do just that. There's a couple little dust spots. If you've seen those were just dust spots. Little dust that came out from being folded up. Nothing wrong with the top, folks. There you go, looking for a nice little popular 63. Here it is, Chevy 2 Nova. And a convertible to boot, 283 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in.